Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, hope you will be fine. This is 10th class. Our today's topic is producers, consumers, and decomposers. We have seen that the biotic components of an ecosystem, it comprises of three types of organisms. Producers. Let us begin with the producers. Producers, according to the manner in which the organisms obtain their food from the environment, these organisms, they can be divided into three groups: producers, consumers, and decomposers. Producers, these are the organisms which prepare their own food. Organisms which produce their own food, they are called producers. Now simply we can say that these are the organisms which can prepare their own food, own food from simple inorganic substances like CO2, water, by using sunlight in the presence of chlorophyll. In the presence of chlorophyll, such organisms are called producers. Examples of producers are green plants, and certain blue-green algae. These are producers. We know that in green plants, they prepare their own food through the process of photosynthesis by taking raw materials from the earth and energy from the sun. Green plants they prepare carbohydrates by photosynthesis and also synthesize proteins and fats. So we can say that in green plants and blue-green algae, they are producers. Producers, these are the autotrophic organisms, self-feeder organisms in the ecosystem upon which other organisms depend for food. So we can say that producers are autotrophs. Producers are autotrophs. Second type of one, they are called consumers. Organisms which consume food prepared by autotrophs, prepared by producers. Tam organism food consume kara, use prepare kara autotrophs. Producers, they are called consumers. So we can say that consumers, they depend on producers for their food directly or indirectly. Consumers depend upon producers for food either directly or indirectly. Directly or indirectly, they are called producers. In other words, consumers, they get their food by eating other organisms or their products or their products. All animals, animals all animals, they are consumers. They are consumers. Consumers are, these are called consumers. Consumers are further three types: herbivores, omnivores, and carnivores.